Hello everyone, and today's topic is importance of conservation of energy, understanding its importance and benefits. Let's begin. Introduction. First thing, a need for energy conservation. Environmental impact. Conserving energy plays a crucial role in reducing pollution by protecting ecosystems. By minimizing energy use, we can decrease greenhouse gas emissions that contribute to global warming, helping to preserve our planet for future generations. Resource depletion. As fossil fuels and other natural resources become increasingly scarce, energy conservation becomes essential. Reducing consumption not only prolongs the life of existing resources but also reduces the need for environmental damaging extraction processes. Climate change. Energy conservation directly impacts climate change mitigation efforts. By reducing overall energy demand, we can stabilize global temperatures and foster a sustainable environment, promoting resilience against climate related challenges. Economic benefits. Cost savings. Implementing energy saving measures at home and in business leads to significant financial savings. Lower energy bills free up funds for another or other improvement initiatives, providing a clear financial incentive for conservation efforts. Job creation. A transition to energy efficient practices and renewable energy sectors generates new job opportunities in various fields, including installation, maintenance, innovation. This is not only boosts the economy but also fosters a skilled workforce in growing industry. Sustainable development. Sustainable development relies on conserving energy to ensure long-term ecological balance. By integrating energy conservation into our growth strategies, we can support economic progress while protecting our natural resources, resulting in healthier planet and a better quality of life. Methods of conservation. Renewable energy resources. Transitioning to renewable energy resources such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power is essential for conservation. These sustainable options reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, lower carbon emissions, and promote energy independence, paving the way to a cleaner energy in future. Energy efficiency practices. Adopting energy efficient practices in our homes, schools, and industries is a powerful way to conserve energy. Measures such as using LED lighting, smart thermostats, and Energy Star appliances can significantly reduce energy consumption, save money, and decrease environmental impact. Technique, technological innovations. Innovative technologies play a vital role in advancing energy conservation efforts. Smart grids, energy storage solutions, and advanced materials for insulations are paving the way toward more efficient energy future, allowing us to maximize resource and use minimize waste. Community involvement. Public awareness campaigns, raising public awareness about the importance of energy conservation, fosters a cultural of sustainability. Campaigns can emerge communities, encouraging individuals and businesses to adopt energy saving practices. Local initiatives and educational programs can also lead to energy conservation. And conclusion, in conclusion, energy conservation is not just an option but a necessary for preserving our environment and supporting economic prosperity. By adopting sustainable methods and fostering community involvement, we can collectively create a bigger and more sustainable future. Thank you.